Killarney. It's like Dublin and Galway made a baby. It's got a small town feel with a dash of hustle and bustle. You got this awesome area where all the shops are and everyone's hanging out, but walk a few minutes away and you're suddenly in Killarney National Park. Enough walking. It's time for dinner. We chose Bricin Boxty House because its stellar reviews were too good to ignore. You're probably wondering what a boxty is. Simply put, they are savory Irish potato pancakes. Traditional boxties are pretty plain, but Bricin's specialty is creating robust boxty dishes. For the record, Bricin also had the best soda bread compared to the others we've tried. The butter in Ireland too, it's so flavorful. The vegetable soup was hands down the best vegetable soup I've ever had. I could taste layers of flavor from the multiple vegetables that were blended into the soup. It was also very comforting against the chilly weather. Lamb curry boxty. The boxty itself was like biting into a soft, flavorful crepe. The lamb was extremely tender, fresh, and didn't have that strong gamey taste. The curry flavor played safe, and I could see it pleasing the majority of customers because of its mild flavor. One bite of the boxty is pretty filling. Good thing we split that dinner because we needed space for Murphy's ice cream. Murphy's is considered one of the best ice cream spots in the world. The milk they use is from the very rare Kerry cow. They make their own chocolate chips and even harvest the salt for their ice creams. Out of all their amazing flavors, I have no idea what possessed me to get their saucy chocolate brownie. It's chocolate ice cream with layers of Murphy's brownies, topped with chocolate fudge sauce and chocolate whipped cream. Who cares, because it was the best jam-packed chocolate ice cream I have ever had. Don't worry, Doug compensated with a scoop of their Irish garden flavor, which was fresh peppermint, and a scoop of their special gin ice cream. The fresh peppermint beats any peppermint flavored dessert I've ever had. The gin ice cream had an interesting herbal flavor that we couldn't quite figure out, but it was so good. It was the best way to end our night, regardless of how cold it was outside. Stay tuned for our second day in Killarney, because that's got even more foods that you don't want to miss.